In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Microsoft Teams language settings. If you want Microsoft Teams to display menus, labels, and interface text in a different language, the process is simple and only takes a moment. This is especially helpful if you work in multiple languages, share a computer, or just want the app to feel more comfortable and familiar to use. To begin, open Microsoft Teams on your Windows or Mac computer. Make sure the app is fully loaded before moving to the next step, so all menu options are available. Once Teams is open, look to the top right corner of the window and click on your profile picture. This opens your account menu, where you'll find access to personal preferences and app settings. From that menu, select Settings and More, shown with the three-dot icon. Then click Settings. This will take you to the main settings area where you can customize different parts of the Teams experience. In the settings window, choose General from the menu on the left-hand side. The General section contains broad app preferences, including the language option you need. Now scroll or look through the page until you find the language section. In that area, click the App Language drop-down menu. You'll see a list of available languages that Teams supports. Choose your preferred language from the list. Take a moment to select carefully, since this will change the language used throughout the application interface. After selecting the language, Teams may prompt you to restart the app. If you see that message, click Restart Teams to apply the change. This restart is important because it allows the app to reload using your newly selected language settings. Once Teams reopens, it should appear in the language you selected. Menus, navigation labels, and other interface elements will now be shown in that language. If the language doesn't change right away, don't worry. A helpful tip is to completely close Microsoft Teams and then open it again manually. In some cases, a full restart is needed before the new language displays properly. That's all there is to it. Open Teams, go to your profile picture, access settings, choose General, find the language section, select your preferred app language, and restart the app if prompted. After that, Teams should be ready to use in the language that works best for you.